There is no easier way to pass your CPCs than going to my home channel, picking a membership. I'll send you the scenarios, the questions, the answers, all the Kahoots so you can practice in your own time, on your mobile phone or on your laptop. I'm Leon Clifton, this is ADR Training. CPC truck scenario, and this is test 3. What is the abbreviation for checking your mirrors on a road? Well, it should mean what's the acronym? Mirror, signal, mirror, maneuver. Well done, everybody. What is the maximum height of a truck?
Nothing.
It's the top speed for a truck on a national road. What time did Gavin arrive at the supermarket at? A question like this isn't really going to come up. This is just to give you a little mental look into that story, just to make it stick in your head. What's the weekly rest period? What truck did Gavin drive? Arctic, side, curtain sider, tanker, refrigerator truck. Again, you're not going to get a question like that, but if you did, you could just read it. Yeah? You could go, because the scenario would be on the screen the whole time.
Yeah, that's the refrigerator.
Yeah. What's the required distance between vehicles in wet conditions? Good. How often does a digital tachograph need to be calibrated?
Just a Beirut on that.
Brilliant.
Sure, they should all be changed now to Palestine or to Ukraine or something, whoever put a rec on there. I didn't write this one, obviously. What did Gavin check at the start of the journey? What should always be kept clean on your vehicle? Mirrors, windscreen, your license. There's three there, really, isn't there? Is that a multiple choice?
Yeah.
You want a clean license, you certainly want a clean windscreen, you want clean mirrors. It's the first thing I look at whenever I'm giving a driving lesson in someone else's car. I look in the mirrors. If they're filthy, how would you be looking into a filthy mirror all the time? I see a filthy mirror on a car and I know you're not using your mirrors. Gavin wanted to reach home by what time? How far away was Gavin's destination?
Oh.
You won't get a question like that, but remember the scenario is on the screen the whole time. What license would you need to deliver a truckload of refrigerated goods to Cork? What license do you need?
Did you say the scenario would be on the screen all the time?
Yeah. Yeah, be on the side of the screen. Which of the following is not an essential journey plan consideration? What's the exception?
International tour driver.
Yeah, international tour bus driver. Could drive 12 days. What is the maximum width of a truck?
Tricky question.
Gavin was responsible for delivering fresh produce to
Oh, wrong one. Shit, I put the D. Pat's taking lettuces in his bus. No.
Why is the stop sign octangle yield? It's distinguished between the two in snowy conditions. Well, because it looks cool. No reason. Of course, there's a reason they wouldn't do it. To help drivers distinguish between the two in daylight. It makes no sense. In daylight, you see it. So you can just eliminate those. Even if you don't know the correct answer, you could just eliminate those three, couldn't you? But it's not just snowy conditions. It's so you can distinguish them from all the other signs. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. And like and subscribing to my channel helps other people like you find them. I'm Leon Clifton.